How to stop video autoplay in Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of videos autoplaying on Instagram and want to take control, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily stop video autoplay in just a few simple steps. So, without any further ado, let's get started. You need to tap on Instagram app on your mobile phone. Simply tap on Instagram over here. Once you're in your Instagram app, you need to tap on your profile icon located at the bottom of your screen. Once you're in your profile, you need to tap on three horizontal bars located at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in the settings and privacy, you need to scroll down until you find data usage and media quality. Simply tap on that. From here, you need to toggle on useless cellular data. Simply tap on that, and that's it. After you have done that, the video autoplay will automatically stop. If you want to enable the autoplay again, you need to simply toggle it off. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to stop video autoplay on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.